could this thing carve out an AB equals CD, take us up into these levels? You can see actually there's a huge price gap all the way up here. Yeah, right there. Talk about confluence of levels, eh? We've got price gaps. So where's gap? There's gap. 38.2, 1.272 off of the alt AB equals CD. And we could probably, even with this W now formed, we could probably do Foggenbaums off of that range. And that'll start giving us some upside targets. Remember, we heard the headlines were that China was supporting their market and trying to step in and defend it. We should probably take a quick boo at things like those Chinese ETFs, just see what they look like. All right, so they all gapped higher here today. So I think that's probably a big part of why North America is feeling a little better. Did some technical damage, but didn't break to new lows here. Did break to new lows on this guy. So this whole bot setup, if you were interested, we got to move that out to the next leg lower here. So this will take a lot of time to develop. And then on the actual Hang Seng index itself, as you can see, this was a move to new lows. So I've already adjusted. So now we just got to sit and wait for this thing to actually put in 3 higher lows. That might take quite a while. Also too, we have a really nasty double top, a bearish divergence too in the MACD histogram. So that's certainly not helping the case. If anything, we got to see W start to form. And Willie is technically stupidly oversold. So probably being a seller right here is probably not the best idea. I don't really think there are any buy signals anywhere here. But at the same time too, feels to me like maybe the down move is getting a little exhausted heading into the summer. You might get a little bit of backfilling. You know, probably a good way to keep an eye on these guys is to watch things like Alibaba. So hopefully you can see that the bullish bot setup is basically the same as those indexes off of this big stock. We have moved beyond 66 though. So, oops, actually maybe we haven't. Well, we're pretty damn close. Huh? If this is still legit, I'll leave that up to you to decide whether you want to flirt with this 66 or not. Yeah. Oh, he does this backwards. Interesting. So bot level is starting to form here on this BABA. It's come down an awful long way, that's for sure. If anything, this probably at best is like 38.2 retracements. So there to there, and there you go. So there's 100%. There's 38.2. There. So could this thing carve out an AB equals CD, take us up into these levels? You can see actually there's a huge price gap all the way up here. I don't know exactly where it starts. Let's see. Yeah, right there. So talk about confluence of levels, eh? We've got price gaps. So where's gap? There's gap. 38.2, 1.272 off of the alt AB equals CD. And we could probably, even with this W now formed, we could probably do Foggenbaums off of that range. And that'll start giving us some upside targets. All right. So 4669 happens to be up in that area there. 877 is all the way up at 1.618. So, yeah, you know, it is what it is. I don't know whether I would play something like this. At least I know for certain I wouldn't. But having said that, if you are going to get your Chinese rally here into the fall, we've talked about this before. You know, this is probably exactly the same chart pattern. Mind you, this looks a little bit more robust. Caveat emptor, you know. In fact, actually, we've given you a couple of pretty good trade ideas. So if you are interested, take a look at that BABA if you like to play Chinese stocks. It's not my thing, but it might be yours. Then, of course, super am in love with this POW. That's a gift from Cotter. Thank you, Cotter. Hugs and kisses. Love the look of this trade.